Get ready to discover 5 mind-blowing facts about the International Space Station that will leave you in awe. From cutting-edge technology to life-changing experiments, let's dive into the incredible world orbiting right above us. Number 1. A multinational effort. The ISS is a collaboration between 5 space agencies: NASA of USA, Roscosmos of Russia, JAXA of Japan, ESA of Europe, and CSA of Canada. It represents one of the most complex engineering projects ever, with components built and launched from different countries, then assembled in space. Number 2. Orbiting at incredible speed. The ISS orbits the Earth at a speed of about 28,000 kilometers, 17,500 miles, per hour. It completes one orbit around the planet approximately every 90 minutes, meaning astronauts on board experience 16 sunrises and sunsets each day. Number 3. The largest structure in space, spanning roughly the size of a football field, the ISS is the largest human-made structure in space. Its total weight is about 420,000 kilograms, and its pressurized modules have more living space than a 6-bedroom house. Number 4. A space laboratory. The ISS serves as a unique microgravity laboratory where astronauts conduct experiments that are impossible to replicate on Earth. Research in biology, physics, medicine, and materials science has contributed to innovations, from medical treatments to new technologies. Number 5. Visible from Earth. Despite being 400 kilometers above Earth, the ISS is visible to the naked eye. It's one of the brightest objects in the night sky and can often be seen as a fast-moving, bright white dot crossing overhead at certain times, depending on your location. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this journey, hit the subscribe button for more exciting content. You won't want to miss what's coming next.